In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a publication in Beehiiv step by step, quickly and safely. If you manage more than one publication, this is a really useful process to know, because it helps you clean up old projects, remove test publications, or get rid of anything you no longer need inside your Beehiiv workspace. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the Settings icon there, and that's where you need to go. Click on Settings to open up your Workspace options. Now, in the left-hand or Settings area, look for Workspace Settings. Under that section, click on Overview. This is the page where Beehiiv keeps important workspace-level information, including your publications. Once the Overview page loads, scroll down until you reach the All Publications section. This is where you'll see every publication connected to your workspace. Take a moment here and carefully find the exact publication you want to delete. It's always a good idea to double-check the name before making any changes, especially if you have multiple publications with similar titles. Next to the publication name, you'll see the three-dot menu, often shown as a Done icon. Click on those three dots to open the available actions for that publication. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Beehiiv will now ask you to confirm the deletion. This is an important safety step to make sure you don't accidentally remove the wrong publication. In the confirmation field, type the exact publication name exactly as it appears. Be careful with spelling, spacing, and capitalization, because it needs to match precisely. After you enter the publication name, click Delete to confirm. Once you do that, Beehiiv will process the request and remove the publication from your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a publication in Beehiiv. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. But make sure you're certain before confirming, because deleting a publication is usually a permanent action. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other Beehiiv tutorials on the channel for more step-by-step help.